now back here in the park, and we're going to look for a camping ground because it is already 2:26. It's less than 1 hour drive to get here, and they actually paid $6. This is a government camping ground. Okay, so this campground is like this. It's locked, so we need to open with the code. I have the code because I booked online. Just before getting out of the town, there is still the reception. Yeah, I booked it there. Okay, it's open. I actually went to the other side and I panicked a little bit because there's nothing in there. It's dead end, but there are some place to camp, and so I worried a little bit because the GPS sent me there. Good thing I checked this one, and I'm on the right way. Oh, this camping ground is very secluded, and I'm the only one in here. Yeah, I'm the only one in here. When I was booking this one, actually some are not are occupied when I was booking it, but there's nobody around here. It's okay. Yeah, but actually this place can only be accessed by people with code, so I feel safer. Yeah, so I'm going to cook now my food. I'm going to eat this first, and then that one cooking now, maybe for tonight or tomorrow. Yeah, this one is cold, but it's not a problem for me. Actually, it's very cold. I will reheat it in the here. But the rice I will put it here, so it will have the flavor of the burn thing. And do you know that in the Philippines we call rice in many different ways? This one is actually we call the bahaw. Yeah, the rice, the leftover rice, we called it bahaw. So basically, if it is the rice, the one is still with the shell on it, with cover on it, we called it palay. Once it is milled already and the shell is removed, so it is just the white rice, we called it bigas. Yeah, and once we cook the bigas, we called it kanin. And once the kanin is cooked and cold, like leftover from yesterday, we called it bahaw. And this is the one, this one is bahaw. And when the rice is burned, you know, the bottom of the rice when you are cooking, it's literally, it is becoming very hard. We called it tutong. Yeah. And of course, when we are cooking rice different way, we called it a fried rice, plain rice. Yeah, so many different ways to call rice in the Philippines. Oh, I'm going to eat here. Remove that. Now actually put this one here. This one will be difficult to wash. I should put water now so it will become soft. Before we eat, we put water here. This is my very first meal for today. Actually, I eat a donut. But yeah, just when I finish my hiking. This barbecue toast. Yeah, if you remember yesterday, I bought a sausage roll. And I finish it. And this is when I am going to be needing the fridge and microwave oven. Yeah, when reheating food like this, leftover food like that. These are clean and untouched, but this one will go to dishwashing. Oh, it's smoking now. So the cooking just got up. Actually, I don't know what it says. Yeah, but yeah, so it's cooked. So we'll just cooling it down now. There's no more sun. I am not going to do a fire. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's cleared. Yeah. But of course inside I still need to organize. I don't have dishwashing soap, and I actually have a scrub, but I don't want to use. I hear the noise of the bird. On my next camping, I'm going to plan everything very well. Like what I am going to cook. Sounds like I'm running out of water. So this thing, I need to wash this. Yeah, I wash this in the house. Tomorrow I'm going back home. Suddenly a lot of birds. The noise. It is totally dark outside now. Yeah, and there's no internet connection here. And I'm going to switch off the light. I probably will see you tomorrow. I'm not going to drink coffee tonight. I am supposed to create a fire outside, but I'm actually scared of being alone here. Yeah, that's why I'm going to sleep early. Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. It is now 1:34, and I was just in the bed. Yeah, but I can't sleep anymore. So I basically, yeah, sleep during the sunset. And I wake up around 12 o'clock. And I'm already having difficulties to sleep because it's already over 5 hours of sleep. So I'm decided I'm going to leave this place and will drive to Sydney. And I have my bike outside. Okay, ready. Didn't forget anything. I realized that my gray water is actually full. Yeah, I need to throw that first. Yeah, it's flooding in here. It is going to be more than 1 hour drive. Less than 2 hours. All the way to Sydney. Yeah, we are now entering in the residential area. Good morning guys. It is already 3:54. I am now in the Parramatta area. Auburn actually is the name. And I'm picking up my McDonald's order. Yeah. This thing that I bought is basically just $6. Yeah, it's a promotion. One small chicken meal and cheeseburger. So of course it comes with drinks and french fries. Regular price is $16.50. Bargain.